Get ready, stargazers, because October 2025 is shaping up to be an absolutely spectacular month for skywatchers. Mark your calendars for a truly rare and beautiful event, the famous harvest moon, which also happens to be a supermoon, rising amidst a shower of shooting stars. Let's break it all down. On Monday, October 6th, the first of three supermoons in 2025 will grace our autumn skies. This is the renowned harvest moon, one of the most celebrated full moons of the year. It's the first full moon of the fall season in the northern hemisphere, and its name is steeped in history. The moon will reach its absolute fullest phase at 11:47 p.m. Eastern Time on that Monday, which is 3:47 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time on Tuesday, October 7th. Don't worry if you miss the exact moment, though. It will appear big, bright, and beautiful on the nights just before and after its peak. So, when is the absolute best time to watch? I'd recommend heading out at dusk on Tuesday, October 7th. Find a spot with a clear view of the eastern horizon and watch as the full moon makes its grand entrance. But here's a pro tip. Don't sleep on Sunday, October 5th. At dusk that evening, you'll see the nearly full moon rising just above the planet Saturn, which will be incredibly close to Earth. It's a bonus celestial pairing you won't want to miss. You might be wondering, why is it called the harvest moon? The name is given to the full moon that occurs closest to the September equinox. It comes from old farming folklore. The bright moonlight would extend the day, allowing farmers to work late into the night, gathering their crops. While the harvest moon often falls in September, the way the lunar calendar works out means October gets the honor in 2025. To get the most breathtaking view on that Tuesday, find a slightly elevated location with an unobstructed view to the east. For the first 15 to 20 minutes after the moon rises, you'll be treated to a stunning golden-orange glow. This is the moon illusion, where the moon appears much larger and more colorful near the horizon. You don't need any special equipment. Your eyes are perfect for this. But if you have a pair of stargazing binoculars, you can get an amazing close-up of the craters and the dark lunar plains, known as meteor. Now, what makes this a supermoon? It's all about proximity. The moon's orbit round Earth isn't a perfect circle. It's an ellipse. This means there's a point each month when it's closest to us, called perigee, and a point when it's farthest, called apogee. A supermoon is simply a full moon that occurs near its perigee. This harvest moon will be just about 220 for 1,600 miles away from Earth, roughly 10% closer than its average distance. This makes it appear slightly larger and brighter in our sky. Interestingly, the moon will actually be at its absolute closest to us late on Wednesday, October 8th, a day and a half after it turns officially full. So, if you look up on Wednesday night, it will still look impressively large. And here's where it gets even more exciting. That same night, Wednesday the 8th, is also the peak of the annual Draconid meteor shower. You could see shooting stars streaking across the sky. While the bright supermoon might wash out some of the fainter meteors, you could still catch up to 10 meteors per hour. A supermoon and a meteor shower on the same night. That's a celestial 2-for-1 deal. But wait, October's cosmic show doesn't stop there. Later in the month, two comets, named Lemon and Swan R2, will make their closest approaches to Earth. This will coincide with the peak of the Orionid meteor shower on the night of October 21st into the 22nd. And the best part, it all happens under the dark skies of a new moon, making it the perfect condition for spotting those meteors and maybe even a faint comet. As we look ahead, the next full moon on November 5th will be the Beaver moon, and it's set to be the largest supermoon we've seen since 2019. So, October is just the beginning of an amazing season for moon lovers. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you get a chance to step outside and enjoy these incredible celestial events. If you enjoy this video and want to stay updated on all things space and sky, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Clear skies, everyone.